We are having a look at a mammoth 4 BHK on rent in Transcon Triumph, the luxury living. So this house is divided equally from all sides. Let's go on the right hand side and have a look. This was the original show apartment. Now the investor has bought it. They want to give it on rent. That's a big master bedroom with big French windows, openable windows from here, and looks like there's nothing out here, but there's a glass where you can see the east side, so east-west. Vira this side and all the other sides. So that's the size of a bedroom, about 2200 square feet usable carpet. And this is made for walk-in wardrobe. So now there was some stuff going on. They're cleaning up and doing the debris out. More than 11 feet ceiling height, so approx 12 feet. This is for your walk-in wardrobe. Take a shower in there. Use this big bathroom. You want to put your jacuzzi here. There's ample of space. Your bathtub. And that's what it is. Come out, get changed, dressed, and get going in this fantastic 4 BHK on rent. This is also on sale, mind you. So there was one bedroom here. This is also another bedroom, but this has the common bathroom there. There's a glass fix, so you can have a look from outside to inside. You can use this as guest bedroom mainly. Of course, you can use it for many other purposes. You've got a big balcony here, no doubt about it. Brilliant. Change the face of everywhere, Andheri West suburbs. That's Transcon Triumph. Sold out completely. Beautiful project by Transcon developers. They got state-of-the-art amenities. What we have here is a common bathroom. Actually, it's a powder room. Beg your pardon, there's a powder room. And that's your bedroom that we saw. Now the kitchen is a super-sized kitchen. You can't get this kind of kitchen anywhere in this tower, because this is the largest, I've been told by the owners. They just fitted in the modular fittings and the cabinets. Oberoi Springs is your neighbor. Massive. So they're doing the cleaning up and everything. They just come and got everything done, the painting and everything. So cleaning up will happen very soon. Everything will move out and go out here from here. It's an empty apartment with air cons, lights and fans. You got a balcony, so east-west cross ventilation. There's so much breeze going and passing through. You get a lot of fresh air and sunlight and ventilation. We are at dusk at the moment. Brilliant, big space. It's a mammoth apartment in Andheri West. 2 more bedrooms here. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, quite a size again. So many big windows. It lets a lot of sunlight in. Eventually, you lead a great life in these luxurious apartments. Take it up on rent or buy. That's your attached ensuite. So all the cleaning up, mind you, will be done by the owner. A final bedroom awaits you, and that's the one. Good tiling work and the CP and sanitary ware and bathware. Durovit is the one. Open from all sides, everywhere. East-west, cross-ventilation. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. With Rafiq Merchants, this is on rent and sale both. Transcon Triumph 4 BHK. Cheers.